What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'll be showing you how to purchase the Pornrocket coin on Trust Wallet. So the first thing you need to do is to come to coinmarketcap.com. So that's where you can actually read more info about the coin and get to find out some information. So once you're on coinmarketcap.com, as you can see, here is the URL. Then come to the search bar over here, the search box. Then enter Pornrocket. Okay, then click on it. So once you are on the page, you can actually find more info about the coin and read everything. So make sure you make your own personal research, because it's very important before you actually purchase the coin to make some research. So what you now need to do is to come over here to the market section. Okay, this is where you can actually see where you can purchase Pornrocket coin. So as you can see, you can purchase it on PancakeSwap using your BNB balance. So that's what we're going to do just now. So come over to your Trust Wallet, because you're going to be using Trust Wallet to buy the coin. So in case you don't have Trust Wallet, go ahead and sign up on the platform. So after you've downloaded your Trust Wallet, you can come over here to the browser section to actually go and purchase coin. But before then, you need to first deposit some BNB into your Trust Wallet. So come over here to BNB, copy your wallet address. Then you can now go ahead and send in some BNB to your wallet using probably Binance or Coinbase. So in case you don't already have a Binance account or Coinbase, I have a link for you in the description. So I actually recommend using Binance, because that way, if you use the link below, you're going to receive 5% off any transaction that you make. Okay, your transaction fees are going to be receiving 5% off the transaction fees. So once you've used the link and you've signed up on Binance, so I assume you should have signed up by now, created an account, and deposit some money into your account. So once you've done that, you can come over here to the withdraw section. So just come to wallet, come to the wallet section over here. After clicking on wallet, then come here and scroll down to BNB, to where BNB is. As you can see, here is BNB. So once you've deposited some money on your Binance account, you need to go ahead and purchase some BNB. Okay, so after purchasing BNB, you can now go ahead and click on BNB over here, then click on withdraw. Go ahead and paste your BNB wallet address from Trust Wallet. So after you've pasted your wallet address, click network over here and select BIP2 over here. Just confirm. Okay, so then this memo, just leave it empty. Okay, then come to amount and enter the amount of BNB you want to transfer to your Trust Wallet. So after you've entered the amount, you can just go ahead and click on withdraw. So it will take a few minutes to land into your Trust Wallet. So once the BNB has arrived in your Trust Wallet, the next thing to do is now go to the browser section over here. So if you are using an Android device, then instead of browser, what you will see is something like the apps. Okay, the apps. So once you are here, you need to come down to the popular section, then click on PancakeSwap. Okay, so after you clicked on PancakeSwap, this icon over here at the top, over here at the top left corner over here, make sure it is set to Smart Chain. Okay, once that is done, make sure it is set to Smart Chain. Now we need to go back to our browser, come back to the Pornrocket coin market page. Then you need to come up here to where we have the contract address, this over here. Okay, then what you need to do is to now click on this copy icon right beside it. Click on that, then come back to Trust Wallet. So now what you need to do is to click on, as you can see, this is BNB. Just leave it as BNB. So assuming you have already sent some BNB into your Trust Wallet, it should reflect over here, and then you can now enter the amount of BNB you want to use to purchase Pornrocket coin. So let's assume 0.02. Just enter it. Then over here you can come to select the currency. Then you paste in the address we copied earlier. So just press paste. Then you can now click on import. So after clicking import, just click I understand, then click on import button over here. So once you've done that, as you can see over here, I don't have enough BNB balance. So assuming you've already transferred some BNB into your Trust Wallet, then over here you'll be able to purchase the Pornrocket coin. Okay, so, and in case, because sometimes you may face some issues, just try to like adjust. You can see this kind of filter icon over here. Just click on the icon, then try to increase your liquidity. So currently it's set to 0.5. If it's not working, just increase it to probably 1%. If still the same thing, increase it to 2%, and try to like do it like that. So once you've done that, just click on buy and it will automatically be purchased. So thank you very much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.